Hey! Hello and welcome to another edition of our Hoffmann 3 Knowledge Series. Today we're going to talk about some specific components. One of them is the pre-welded multi-pin clamp. Normally when building a box frame you might use those 5-hole pin clamps with the posts. It's very handy and flexible. You can place the posts in different directions. However, we realized that quite often the 30-degree post is used in that way, that it's just in the middle, and therefore we offer also these double-sided 30 degrees angled 5-hole pin clamps with pre-welded posts. This helps to be faster and quicker, and I'm going to show you how to build a box frame with those, again using the quick chuck, which is a very handy tool. Now we place according to the principle of in, up, out. We'll tighten this a bit. Meaning in between, facing up, the bars out to have best biomechanical and practical use. Thumb wheels help a lot to be fast and efficient. Same on this side. Now final tightening. Actually, to avoid what just happened, we have a tool, counter torque handle, and with that you can tighten this out. There we go. That's it for today.